Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing another buyee package and some other 17 related merch and some sanrio merch as well. So recently I've been collecting Joshua's 17 Cafe merch, like the reservation cards and postcards, also the coasters. For coasters, I'm not collecting every single version, I guess, because there's a lot, and I think I'm just gonna collect them if they come in sets. This set has a pretty decent amount of inclusions, and it's in a very good price. Ooh. So I had to get it. But my main thing is actually this only. This is Joshua's 2018 17 Cafe reservation card, and it comes with 2 of his 2018 17 Cafe postcard sets. And then we have some more coasters. This one is from 2017. This one is 2018. We have 2. And then this one is from 2020. Very cute. Oh my god. Oh my, really? They just mail it like this, like without top loaders and without like the sleeves. But I think the card is okay. I can't even tell if it's okay. I think it's okay. So, in my last storing video, I mentioned I am gonna collect my top 3, which is Minghao, Joshua, and Scoops, for the Love and Letter bookmark. And here I got Scoops set, Korean version and the Japanese version. Cute. I found this Joshua's set for his 2019 Carrotland. We have 4 of his solos. There are actually 5 solos for this set of photo cards, but I already have the Polaroid one. But I don't have any of these. So when I saw this set in like a very decent price, I was like, oh my god, this is made for me. We have this O2U Korea photo card set. It's just 2 photo cards. Because in my old collection I already own the other Joshua solos, so when I've been buying things on Mercari, I am only searching for this one and the units, because I also collect units for Joshua, units and duos mostly. I don't usually collect group or like focal unit, but only sometimes if the page fits, but I might in the future. I'm not sure. I always change my mind. This one is the second round entry card, I guess. Entry postcard for SVT Museum 2021. I love his hair. I usually don't collect these, although this set included the 2018 one, but I usually don't collect like large things, except for like postcards. But Joshua's hair is so pretty, and I die for him in blonde, so I had to get this. So yeah, this is what I have for my buyee haul. Next we have some 17 Cafe merch. I bought both Joshua and Wanu's postcards. I love this color sweater on him. He looks like cinema roll. And the back, the other version. Yeah. I'm collecting a lot of Wanu recently because I love his hair as well. But I usually just collect Joshua. Pretty. These are the coasters. And I also got both Joshua and Wanu's glass cup. This is what Joshua's looks like. Very cute. Next we have a bunch of magazines. Finally have my Going magazine. Took ages and I finally have it. Let's see which set I got. Oh, I got the white set. Oh my god, cute. Oh. The white set is actually my favorite. have both of Wanu's Waves cover magazine. So we have its Polaroid photo card. So for the posters, wow, it's huge. Oh my god, it's huge. Help. And then here we have another cover. So yeah, the pages are same. Yeah, the content is same. What's different is the cover, the photo card, and the poster. We have some sanrio card holders to unbox. Not unbox, unwrap actually. This is a L size holder. This is much larger than a card holder. These ones are regular card holder. Look how big this is comparing to these. Coaster holder. So basically you can put a coaster in here like this, I guess. The color is so cohesive. Oh my gosh. Look, Joshua equals cinema roll. And I love cinema roll. And I love Joshua. Cute. Comes in a set of 3 in a quite decent price. It's actually quite good, and it's like completely transparent, not like these ones. They are like a blue frame. So for these ones, I think you store them from below, and if you have like a keyring, you can just pop the keyring out and hang it like that, so it acts as like a keyring cover, but I'm just using them for photo cards. So yeah, that's that.